My name is Dija Taylor.
And my name is Dija Taylor.
We are the NW Ari Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. We are dedicated to helping you navigate the intricate world of buying and selling properties with ease and confidence. But our expertise doesn't stop here. We go above and beyond to provide a comprehensive experience for our clients. With our innovative approach, we offer complimentary home staging.
I'm not just a realtor, I'm also a certified home stager and a redesigner. Staging offers several benefits, including enhancing visual appeal, increasing perceived value, creating emotional connection, standing out from the competition, highlighting the potential. Overall, staging increases the chances of selling the property quickly and at a higher price.
We also offer professional real estate photos, drone footage, 3D virtual tours, and 3D virtual floor plans that offer several key benefits for both buyers and sellers. Professional real estate photos capture the essence of a property and help potential buyers visualize the space. This showcases the property's best features such as architectural details, interior design, and outdoor spaces. We also do drone photography, which provides a unique aerial perspective, capturing the entire property and its surroundings. This allows potential buyers to see the property's location, nearby amenities, and the overall neighborhood surrounding. 3D virtual tours create an immersive experience for potential buyers. They enable viewers to explore the property virtually, moving from room to room and getting a sense of the layout and flow. This technology offers convenience and flexibility, especially for the remote buyers. 3D virtual floor plans provide an accurate representation of the property's layout. They help buyers understand the spatial organization, room dimension, and how different areas connect. This information is valuable for planning furniture arrangement and renovations. Overall, these visual tools is complementary by the NW Ari Realty Group, which improve the marketing and selling process by showcasing properties in a compelling and engaging way, attract more potential buyers, and increase the chance of successful sale. So whether you're looking to find your dream home or sell your current one, the NW Ari Realty Group are the trusted partners you need by your side. With our passion, expertise, and array of service, we are here to turn your real estate dreams into a reality. Contact us today, 360-473-9938
or 360-953-4637.